Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make large muffins. First, select a jumbo muffin pan, which typically holds 6 muffins. Generously grease each cup with butter or a non-stick spray. Alternatively, you can use large paper liners, ensuring they fit snugly. Proper pan preparation is key for perfectly shaped, easy-to-remove muffins every time. Next, focus on your batter. Mix ingredients just until combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough muffins. For large muffins, fill each cup about 2/3 full. This allows for proper rising without overflowing, giving you that beautiful dome top. Baking large muffins requires a 2-stage temperature approach. Start by baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 5 minutes. This initial high heat helps create a good rise. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for an additional 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown. Once baked, let your large muffins cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps them firm up before handling. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your delicious large muffins in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.